Some students in China's Macau Special Administrative Region have recently got a chance to get close to the art of Peking opera as a group of professional singers from the National Peking Opera Company paid a visit to the region. The singers gave lectures, performed several classic episodes, and taught students to actually perform on the stage.
非常感谢国家京剧院一团能够来到我们学校最近距离的与同学讲解京剧、表演京剧，让同学了解京剧。
我觉得印象最深刻的就是那个昭君她上马的那一幕，因为呢，其实没有实物去表演，其实已经是非常困难的。然后呢，京剧演员们呢也是能够非常好的去把这一个场景给演绎出来。
Peking opera artists Yu Kuizhi and Li Shengsu led the group. According to them, the activity aims to make chances for young people to feel the charm of Peking opera at close quarters.
我们这次呢，比如说我们进学校，也有很多的孩子从中不是说让他非要去学会什么，让他从中能了解京剧，在他的心中埋下一颗京剧的种子。
通过一个剧目，通过一个片段，讲述一段这个历史，讲述一段中华优秀的这样一个这个灿烂这个文明的这样一个文化，应当说意义非常的重大。